Hi, Farshid here. First of all, I want to say thank you for your interest in Orange Tart and all the amazing comments you posted on Facebook. I'm so excited to announce that Orange Tart will be launched on Kickstarter on June 1st, 2021, and I hope to see everyone there. I'm sure that many of you guys know what Kickstarter is and how it works. In case that you're not familiar with that, this video explains how easy it would be for you guys to go on Kickstarter and get your Orange Tart. For doing that, I'm going to go through some questions and terms that involved in Kickstarter. The first one is, what is Kickstarter? Kickstarter is a crowdfunding platform that helps creators to bring a product to life. So the next question that comes up is, what is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is a process of raising money from a large number of people to bring that product or idea to life. There is one important term here, which is backer. So, who is a backer? The people who financially back a project or product are called backers, and they do that because they believe in the product. The next question is, what is the benefit of being a backer? The backer, in exchange of financially backing a product, gets what is called a reward. A reward. A reward is usually an item, which in our case are different sets of Orange Tart that you are already familiar with. Now let's move on to Orange Tart Kickstarter page, and I'm going to go through different parts of the page and show how easy it would be for you guys to get your Orange Tart there. Every page starts with a video, and here's the Orange Tart video that summarizes what is included in Orange Tart set, as well as the features and benefit. I would recommend to watch this video as it summarizes everything. If you go a little bit down the page, here is the story part of the page that starts with a video that shows how you can play full-fledged soccer games with your kids, friends, and family. It's super exciting video. Orange Tart has many items and accessories that I'm going to introduce them one by one. Everything inside that orange circle. So I start with the soccer robots that your kids can build. The first one is the striker with its powerful shots. The next one is the chipper to break any defensive line with its golden chip shots. And the next one is the offensive header with its accurate timing to kick. And the last one is agile goalkeeper to save any striker shots. Every one of these robots are super amazing, and I'm sure that your kids can't stop playing with them. You can drive these robots with a professional and fun to play joystick app that is provided, as you can see in the video. This is a large size Tart arena with solid sidewalls that perfectly contains your games. This is kind of place where you can play robotic soccer games very easily. Orange Tart also comes with a STEAM activity mat. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. If you would like to get your kids involved in coding, artificial intelligence, science, and mathematics, kids will have all their STEAM activities on this mat. If you go down a little bit, Orange Tart coding application is a block-based coding language with intuitive graphical design that enable your kids to start programming. Orange Tart set also comes with 36 story-driven challenge cards and a Learn to Code curriculum book. Each card is a mission that help your kids to learn coding. And the book mainly outlines the implementation guide for each challenge. With the Steam activity pack that includes coding application, learn to code curriculum book, challenge cards, and the Steam activity mat, kids can learn coding, artificial intelligence, robotics, math and geometry, physics, and even light painting photography. One of the add-on of Orange Tart is its expansion pack that let your kids flourish their creativity by building anything imaginable, from insects-like robots to industrial cranes. Uh, the other add-on of Orange Tart are two magical creatures called Zipline and Biped robots. The first Lego compatible voice activated zipline robot that moves on ropes. Kids are going to have so much fun with it, and the fun never ends. Make sure you will add them to your list. If you go down a little bit more, you reach to the shipping costs. Here's a table that shows the estimated shipping cost plus import duties for different destinations. The good news is that you won't pay import duties with respect to your countries. We are basically negotiating with different shipping companies to bring this cost even lower. If you go completely down the page, you reach to the trial production of Orange Tart. All production lines, assembly lines, supply chain, and logistics are in place and just need your order to start rolling mass production. Before I go over the rewards, I should mention that if you are super early birds, that means that you're back in the first day of our Kickstarter campaign. You will receive your orange tart before Christmas. So that would be great if you want to give it as a gift to your kids or grandkids. So if you take a look at here in this part of the page, every reward is shown by a graphics to help you visualize what exactly you will get. When you choose your reward, which I will get into that in a few moments, then you need to go to the upper right hand side of the page and press back this project tab. Underneath, the rewards are also listed and explained, so you can choose your reward from here too. So let's start with the first reward. It's called Standard Pack. This pack comes with one robot, Steam Mat, challenge cards, and the Learn to Code book. As you can see in the image, you can build only one robot at the same time, but since it's Lego compatible, you can convert it to any other robot that I already explained. This pack introduces your kids to learn a wide range of topics such as coding, robotics, math, physics, and art during open-ended play. The super early bird price is 169 US dollar. The next reward is Fun Pack. It comes with two robots and Tart Arena, so you can build two robots at the same time, and you can play one versus one soccer or penalty kick games. Kids will have lots of fun playing with this pack, and the super early bird price is 259 US dollar. The next reward is Ultimate Pack. It comes with two robots, Tart Arena, Steam Mat, challenge cards, and Learn to Code book. Again, you can build two robots at the same time, and you can play one versus one soccer or penalty kick games. The pack also introduces your kids to learn coding, robotics, math, physics, and art. This pack provides a reasonable balance between play and learning values. The super early bird price is 299 US dollar. And the next reward is Fun Plus Pack. It comes with four robots and Tart Arena. You can build all four soccer robots at the same time, and kids can play two versus two full-fledged soccer games. It can bring a family of four together so you can spend hours of quality time with your kids, friends, and family. The super early bird price is $3.99 US. The next one is Ultimate Plus Pack. It comes with four robots, Tart Arena, a Steam mat, challenge cards, and Learn to Code book. You can build all four robots at the same time, and kids can play two versus two super exciting soccer games. You and your kids can spend hours of quality time together. In addition to that, the kids can learn coding, robotics, math, physics, and art. This is an amazing kit with very high play and learning value. And the super early bird price is $4.59 US. And the last reward is Classroom Pack. It comes with six robots, Tart Arena, Steam Math, challenge cards, and the Learn to Code book. You can have six robots at the same time in Tart Arena, and you can play three versus three full-fledged soccer games with your kids. If you have six people in your family or friends, or you can use it in your school or after school program, this pack would be an amazing choice. The super early bird price is $6.59 US. Once you chose your reward, it's going to be very easy to get your orange Tart. For doing that, you need to log in. So please go to the upper right hand side corner of the page and click login. It gives you three options. The first one is by email and username. For this, you need to create an account. The second one is by Apple account. And the third one by your Facebook profile. To me, the easiest way is by Facebook profile. So click on that and then click on continue as your name. If you look at the corner of the page, it shows that you're logged in now, and you can click on back this project. The rest is similar to online shopping, and it just needs your card information. That's it. Congratulations. You have joined the community of 19 million people uh, who have backed the project on Kickstarter and have spent about 5.8 billion US dollar on different projects. Hope this how-to video will help you to get your reward on launch day, and we will be launching Orange Start on June 1st, 2021. And I hope to see everyone there to back Orange Start. Thank you and have a wonderful time.